Hello friends, welcome to Learn Something for Victory. In this video, I want to discuss about what is GATE and what is the pattern of GATE exam, what are the benefits if a candidate can clear the GATE exam, and highlights and modifications in GATE 2021. GATE is nothing but Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, which is a computer-based test conducted by IITs or IIScs in India. Now we can observe the exam pattern of GATE. The total duration of exam is 3 hours. This test will comprises of 65 questions. Among those, 35 questions are of 2 marks and 30 questions are of 1 mark. So the total marks are 100. There are 2 types of questions. One is multiple choice type questions and another one is numerical answer type questions. If you can verify the marks awarding scheme, there is negative marking for multiple choice questions if you can opt the wrong answer. There is no negative marking for the numerical answer type questions. There are so many benefits for the candidate who can clear the GATE exam. Now we can discuss one by one in this video. The GATE score can be used to obtain admission into master programs offered by various top institutions of India such as IITs, IIScs and NITs. If a candidate can join in any PG program through GATE score, it is possible to obtain a stipend of 12,400 rupees per month for 24 months as a financial assistance to complete their course. So many PSUs across the India recruit the candidates who clear the GATE exam. They will conduct interviews based on the merit score of GATE exam. Once you will get a job opportunity in any PSU, it is possible to start your career with a high salary. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research provides the award of Junior Research Fellowship or Senior Research Fellowship to engineers who have qualified in GATE exam. These fellowships also provide a stipend of 31,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees per month. If you want to start your career as a teacher, it is mandatory to complete master's degree in your particular specialization. To ensure that a teaching job is obtained in good universities, it is necessary to have graduated from well-reputed universities. Based on GATE score, so many foreign universities offer an admission into master's and PhD programs without the requirement of a GRE score. Post-graduation from the top institutions of India through GATE score, it provides a better placement opportunities into the top MNCs with high salaries. Now we can discuss what are the changes and highlights in GATE 2021. GATE 2021 is going to organized by IIT Bombay. This exam is going to be conducted in the month of February 2021. Two new subject papers are going to be started from GATE 2021. They are Environmental Science and Engineering, Humanities and Social Sciences. It makes the total number of subject papers to 27. In GATE 2021, the candidate can now opt for up to 2 subject papers to boost the opportunity to study in interdisciplinary areas. GATE 2021 provides an opportunity to the students, those who are studying in the third year of their undergraduate studies, to appear for the examination. It provides an additional opportunity to candidates to improve their score. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends. If you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe and click on bell icon to get the latest notifications. GATE 2021 score is valid for 3 years.